This is the Flambeau 2-tray blue and gray medium-sized tackle box. This is a really nice item. I just picked this up. Basically, I'm just upgrading it from a different tackle box I had. I bought one of those like all-in-one tackle boxes where it came with a lot of the fishing gear and things like that. And as I'm doing more and more fishing, I'm just slowly getting to replacing some of the lures and things that were included with it, and I just wanted to actually upgrade the tackle box. I was just running out of the room in the other one. I just like maximized all the space in there, so I wanted to pick this one up. Why I like this one here, it's pretty heavy duty. This is the medium version. This one is about 14 inches wide, 8 inches tall, and about 8 inches wide here. So you'd see really nice size, not too big, not too small. I was initially looking at the larger one, but it was just too big. I like this one here. It's got the 2 trays inside right here. It locks really nice and easy. So you got the 2 trays, and then it comes with these for the compartments here. So you're able to split this up. You got 6 of these to split up the compartments. You can see you got a few smaller ones here already. You see you got the smaller ones, the larger middle here, and then the top. And then you got the big area at the bottom here. So again, what I like about this one here, along with those two areas, you got this part up top where you could store stuff inside here. So you could put some lures, bobbers, pliers, a knife in here. Pretty much whatever you're going to fit, it's going to fit in here. It's pretty, you can see here, it's pretty deep inside here. So it's a nice size storage area. But Flambeau is a really great brand. This is highly recommended by the people I know who do a lot of fishing. I have a lot of friends and family that are well deep into fishing, and this is a recommended brand. So that's why I picked this one up. But I'm excited to move my fishing gear into this tackle box here, and overall it looks really nice. The blue and the gray colors is really nice. So if you're looking for a new tackle box, I would absolutely check this out. Again, this is the Flambeau medium size 14 by 8 by 8 in blue and gray.